Ito ang balete tree, isa sa mga native na puno dito sa Pilipinas. Kilala bilang strangler fig, ito ay may kakaibang paraan ng paglaki.
Ang balete tree ay may mahahabang ugat na kumakapit sa ibang mga puno habang lumalaki ito. Kung kaya't sa paglipas ng panahon, maaari nitong takpan o strangle ang host tree na kanilang kinakapitan. Dahil dito, ang balete tree ay may misteryoso at makapigil hiningang anyo, kadalasang nakakatakot sa mga tao.
Origins. The balete tree belongs to the genus Ficus, which includes about 750 species of fig trees. These trees are known for their unique growth pattern with aerial roots that grow downwards from the branches and eventually reach to the ground where they take root and form new trunks. The balete tree is native to tropical regions of South and Southeast Asia, but can be found in other parts of the world as well.
Ang mga dahon ng balete ay madilim at berde at makinis. At ito ay nagbubunga ng maliliit na prutas na paborito ng mga ibon at iba pang mga hayop. The balete tree is also ecologically important. It provides a habitat and food for various animal species, and its roots help prevent soil erosion.
Cultural beliefs and mythology. In many cultures, including in the Philippines, the balete tree is believed to be inhabited by mystical beings or spirits. These beings are often associated with nature and are considered guardians of the environment. In Filipino folklore, the balete tree is linked to stories of duendes or dwarves, capres or tree giants, and other supernatural creatures.
So when you visit the tree, don't forget to say tabi-tabi po.
Wala.
Thank you.